Hi friends, hope all of you are fine. Lot of friends are written their group 3 or group 4, intermediate group 1, group 2, foundation. First of all, in the outset, I wish all of the best for those who written the exam. Let us hope for the best. Lot of students texted us saying that the session we conducted by way of exam strategy or maybe marathon or maybe MCQ pattern was really helpful. That all give us a more positive energy to give you best support for your upcoming exam, that is none other than June 2026. So friends, this video is for those friends who are planning to write June 2026 exam of your CMA, whether it is final, whether it is inter. Yes, we Edu Home Connect is there for you. We are coming up with lot of exciting combination this attempt for you to ensure success. And I want to ensure you that this attempt we are going to start early and study smart, attempt with confidence and become a CMA. So that is the mantra for the attempt. See, any professional exam, one main thing you have to ensure is that when you are preparing is a big factor. Start early will have a best advantage. Especially, we notice that lot of students are lack in practicing the sums, and in exam hall they are making small silly mistake. They are testing us, sir. Will I get a working note, work mark for working note? Because they feel that their final answer they are not able to reach. Why? That is a big question we have to answer. So these kinds of error, if you want to avoid, yes, there should be a proper preparation must be there. Sir, how I have to prepare? See, there are two ways you it is there. First thing, if you are conceptually not clear, then you have to get the classes first. Whether it is a physical or a live or a video, whatever the mode, you have to get the classes first. You are conceptually correct, but the lack of practice is there. Then mentorship and test series the best suitable for you. So we at Edu Home Connect, we are coming with all these combo for you, friends. We are coming with the video lectures. We are coming with the live sessions. We are coming with the test series. We are coming with the mentorship, all in one program. So that is what I have to highlight. That is, if you want to attend your June exam, whatever the support you needed, we are ready for you. That is the main support I can assure you that. And we are able to give some exclusive benefit of free test series support also for the students who are enrolling for the Telegram group, which we are going launching for exclusively for June 2026 for each subject, for final SFM, SEM, CFR, DT, everywhere there will be a faculty support Telegram group for you, where you will get a up-to-date info. So overall joining that program will get a our basic plan free test series access also. If you want the platinum program, you can also be able to upgrade, my dear friends. So at the end of the video, I will also give you the same. Or else I don't want to make further delay. You can just scan this QR code. Please scan this QR code and you can join the free Telegram group we are going to start for the June exam. We are going to start for inter separate, final separate, foundation separate, and final each paper separate. Where the expert faculty will give you up to date information on how your preparation that we start from Jan first week. So I want to ensure you that you can enroll this. And overall filling this scan QR code, we are able to give a basic plan of our grounds plan. Will be free of cost for you, just for making you that this platform will be ideal for you. So friends, apart from that, what are all your exam preparation required? We are planning to come up with a marathon session. We are going to come up with the super 50 questions, and we are coming with the big impact on how to crack MCQ, because MCQ in the last attempt, lot of friends are telling that MCQ played a large major role. Whenever they felt the problem is getting difficulty, they are getting benefit of the MCQs. Yes, in our Edu Home Connect portal, we are upgrading all these MCQ as per the latest trend. And I am very happy and proud that what all the trend series we were set, it comes to 90% accuracy rate, where that is the main success for us. And we ensure that We were never disturbing the students in between the exam and ensuring that they are writing to the point of the exam. Yes, that is the main point I have to ensure you. Coming into next to one thing for cracking the exam, I would like to tell you the latest update which is updated in our portal. All these superb webinars are now available in our portal. So those friends who are preparing further for June exam or maybe for December exam, you can get all these strategy from Star Wars faculties in our portal. Yes, you can able to get that session from our portal. So in this webinar session, you can able to get those things. So you can able to get benefit of those all these videos. Whether it is an inter level, also we have inter very good number of videos for them for each subject. So this is just a starting, and we will have an exclusive webinar for the packages. We will have an exclusive webinar for the packages, which is going to release in the upcoming batch. So all the support will be there for you. We want to ensure that only one thing: early preparation is necessary. You should have a conceptual clarity and you should prepare as per the ICMA pattern. You should know how the questions are asking. That is very important. That is how this bridge we Edu Home Connect is giving for your preparation. And I am very happy that we are coming all these update and video classes. For CMA, we have launched video classes of all the Harvard faculties. You can able to get CDT class, SFR, CFR class, SEM class, all these sessions. Even intermediate also you can able to get for you. And if you prefer for any live session or any physical class also, we have tie up for your benefit. That also you can just fill this Google form. We will able to support you. Only one thing, one mantra we have to make it. That is every student is unique and their preparation must be unique. That is why we were focusing on personalized mentorship. So our expert student counselor will understand what is your requirement and they will suggest you the best packages for you. So you can book a free demo also. In that free demo, our team will tell you how to prepare for your June exam. And very, very good news, what I have to tell you that we were launched a dashboard, very exciting for you. In the student dashboard, my dear friends, you can able to understand all your performance, how many written tests you have written, how many MCQs you have written, and what are the subjects you have written, and the daily plan. This is a superb duper, which is exclusively available for in our portal, which you cannot find anywhere. How many portions you complete, your daily target are you meeting or not? How many MCQs you written test are you written or not? So as soon as when your preparation is completed, you can highlight all these things. Apart from that, as you all you know, exclusive webinar. Apart from the webinar which is available in the exclusive webinar is available for students in our portal dashboard. This webinar students can attend it and they can get the benefit of the maximum. Then test it. Test you one of the super duper point I would like to suggest you. We have MCQ, we have grand MCQ, we have scenario based question, written exam, written exam as per the ICMA pattern. That is what we are having advantage. MCQ and all, if you are going to practice the same thing, you can able to get the benefit. You can able to get the answer. There are questions before your practice. You can select the correct question. Accordingly, you can go for the next question. Accordingly, you can able to practice. So the moment you submit the exam for MCQ, the moment you submit the exam for MCQ, immediately the result will come. So how many answers is correct? What is the wrong answer? You can click the view detailed result. You can able to get what is the mark, what is the attempted, and what is the question you attempted. So here the main point is what you are not attempted questions are more. So these kind of analysis you will get it. Sir, I want to know the correct question. Can I get it? Yes. Here you can get everything. What is the correct question? Suppose if technical default, if any answer is wrong, you can just give report the question also. Sir, I have a doubt in this question. Can you clarity? So these kind of support also we are giving for you. That is the main thing I have to tell you. Apart from resources, what all written paper, question paper, MTP, MQP, everything is available in the dashboard itself. Now, suppose the report, this is the super point. What all the exam, see, just now we written mutual fund. Whenever you return, see, there is a one exam which is written on September 4. It is available. And the answer, everything is available here. That means this dashboard will tell you how your progress. And I am going to announce you that who are all filling this QR code. I'm going to give you this daily plan dashboard free of cost. You can able to tick whenever you completed your portion. Sure. If you want to upgrade into higher plan, you can able to choose mentorship plan, test series, because test to practice. Lot of friends are telling me that I am not able to rate complete answer. I'm not able to rate full answer. What to do? Yes, practice. Practice is necessary. And any test program will be useful only when you prepared properly, study, revise, exam, and get evaluation and get the recommendation. That is very important. So, my dear friends, we Edu Home Connect are planning to come up with all these exciting content for you in the coming days. So, why you want to worry more? So, please ensure that your June 2026 exam, you are not alone. We are also there for you. So, come with Edu Home and taste the success. It is not too long for you to success. So with this, I am winding up the session. We will come up with exciting content upcoming period for you exclusively for our students. So you can just fill this QR code. Our team will connect you and will give you a free demo and demonstrate how to prepare. And they will suggest you the best plan for your June 2026 exam and the affordable package. See, in our portal, if you go through, wherever it is, if you go through our portal, CMA portal, even final level, if you take any subject, see the plan, how much you are charging. This is at an affordable price we are charging for students. That is one. And I am going to announce you that whoever joining this December month or this December month now, they are going to get the gold and Astra plan. Instead of 4 months, they are going to get a 6 month validity. That is extra 50% validity they are going to get. That is validity we are getting increasing for this benefit. Yes, that you heard it is right. So you can able to get benefit of those things also. We are winding up the session today, but the success is not ended. It will be a continued with you. All the best, prepare well. So please fill the Google form, and we are there for you to support with all the sessions and classes for you. If you need conceptual clarity, join for the classes. If you need practice profile, then join for mentorship and test series. That is what you require. And I want to tell you that you evaluate, you go through the demo and you feel that yes, this is worth, then only you join. I don't want no one has to join immediately, because if you feel that this is worth and this will make you change in your CMA preparation, then you enroll it. With this, winding up friends, all the best.